Okay, so I'm seeing on the weekly time frame we're pushing up into resistance. It's closest resistance. This is also the closest resistance on the daily time frame. Yeah, we rallied up. We also, yeah, we've been rallying up for a few days, which is interesting. So we have this recent support that we broke through, and this morning with the market open we gapped down about 20 pips and then immediately bought back up and closed the gap, and now we've just been rallying up the entire day. But now what I'm seeing is, before, as the market opening is coming, on the 5-minute time frame you can see prices slowing down. We had a market structure break right here. So we're getting some indication that the momentum is slowing down. Price action is completely bearish on the 1 minute, and on the 5 minute it's broken as well, but on the 15 minute it wasn't seen. And on the 15 minute we're still bullish, so it's possible that we could still push up into this daily resistance. Yeah, let me see. And considering this outer candle is the first bearish candle since market open, it's possible we could see a retracement starting, possibly to this resistance, or maybe to the gap, back down to the gap. But this resistance is looking more likely. But also, if you look on the weekly, the thing is, at the start of the daily and the weekly candle, we've already moved up like 130 pips. And usually when a candle opens and moves this much directly after it opens, it 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 indicates that the candle is likely to manipulate. So it's almost like an AMD pattern, just in one candle. So you get the quick push up, which would be this, and then immediately price pushes back down and starts consolidating. So it's almost a AMD pattern, almost like a reverse AMD pattern. And it's possible that price is going to do the same here, considering lower time frame market structure. It's bearish for the first time. Well, we broke market structure here, pushed up, broke again. So after rallying the entire time, this entire since about like around 6 AM, so about 2.5 hours ago, where I started slowing down. Still had the momentum, but slowed down significantly here, and with the wick that formed here, this was a clear sell indication for a lot of sellers, and now they are pushing price down. So what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for, if you continue to push down below this week, because weeks like these are pretty important, because you might see price break through this resistance level like it is right now, and push down, and when it comes down to this, a lot of people will be selling over here, but then it comes down to this week and just suddenly reverses back up and you get stopped out. So I'll usually enter after price breaks a wick, because that means we are fully breaking out of these levels, and yeah, it's less likely to be manipulated if you enter below here and you get a close below here. You're more less likely to get manipulated. It's still possible, but it's a lot less likely. And yeah, so I'm waiting for price to either break this, then I'll be going short, and if we fail to break market structure here, because it's also, the big reason is it's a higher time frame recent low, so that's why it's more important. And it's also, you can see an hourly wick, so it's a pretty important level. If we fail to break and we continue to push up, then I'll be looking to take longs, but I'll wait for the 5 minute and the 1 minute to show me bullish momentum. So I'll wait for the 5 minute to break market structure and the 1 minute to also break market structure. Then I'll be going long, targeting this level. So it will be in between shorts if we close down below here, and buys if we fail to break and then break market structure and start pushing up. Then I'll be taking buys. And yeah, that's about it, I think. Yeah, and considering it's bank holiday for the pound, price is moving a lot, which is not usual. I have to say, it's not usual. But let's see what happens. This is the two trades that I'll be taking. If we get a close below here, I'll go short. If we get a market structure break, I'll go long. That's about it. Simple as that. No need to overcomplicate it. That's all I'm gonna be looking for, and I'll be targeting 1-to-1 risk to reward and adding to my position throughout the day, trying to build my winner as big as possible. That's about it.